for your shorty. It's just me, I'm trying to start a party. Say my love for you.
Hey guys, it's Tori, and it has been, once again, so long since I filmed. I actually have a video I need to edit already on my phone, but I just haven't gotten that far. But, this is a little bit different. I have, like, my LEDs on and my little lights in the back. That's my puppy. She has to be by her mommy. But I am going to show you guys how I get my wavy curls. I just showered. I know I don't look the most attractive right now, but I just figured this would be a good video to film where I can like talk to you guys about everything going on. There's a lot going on and I just missed you guys. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and let's get started. So I already washed my hair and I brushed it out. I have naturally pretty wavy hair. Sorry, I'm trying to get comfortable. My tripod is just way too tall for this chair and it makes my legs hurt super bad. But we're just gonna deal with it. But I already washed my hair, I already brushed it out. And now I'm going in with this Garnier Fructis like leave-in conditioner. It smells like coconuts and it smells literally so good. And I'm pretty sure my boyfriend uses this too because his hair always smells like this and it literally just smells so good. So I just get a little bit in my hands, like not a whole lot, and then I just rub it in my hair. This makes your hair smell so good. Like it literally makes your hair just smell so clean. Okay, so now that I ran that through my hair, I'm gonna take this Not Your Mother's Naturals. It's like curl defining combing cream. It smells like mangoes and like flowers. I don't really know, but it just looks like this. And I put one pump and I put that through this front section of my hair, and then I'll do that for the other side, and then I'll do one pump for the back as well. This is like super thick, so you have to really make sure you rub it in. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this little comb, and I'm just gonna comb through my hair quickly and like super softly because I don't want to pull out my hair because then I'll just get hair everywhere. But this just kind of evenly distributes the product that you just put in your hair, and I don't know, I just think it makes it a lot easier to braid it if you have brushed it multiple times. And now I'm going to section my hair down the middle and have two even sections on either side of my hair. And just like that. And then I'm going to tie this section with a ponytail to get it out of my way. And then you're going to flip this back and you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna evenly section it right in the middle and try and get it as even as possible. This bottom braid will not be probably quite as thick as this top one, but it's kind of hard to get it really even. And then you're just going to tie this section off with another ponytail holder. You're just left with this section right here. And so what you're gonna do is push your hair backwards, like if you were to slick it back, and you are going to do a French Dutch braid or a Dutch braid, like all the way back. So I'm going to do that, and if you don't know how to braid, I'm definitely not the right person to try and teach you. There's so many YouTube videos you could watch on how to braid your hair. But I feel like most people know how to braid these days, but if you don't, you can easily go watch videos. And now we're gonna get into just everything going on. If you want to learn how to braid, this is definitely the perfect time to do it because we are all literally quarantined in our houses because of the virus. And honestly, like some people I think are underreacting, some people are overreacting. That's my personal opinion. Everyone has a different opinion on the situation. It is honestly so scary. Like I think it's terrifying, but I mean, there's nothing we can do about it except for try our best to be safe. Being stuck in the house really does suck though, because I'm someone who really relies on being around friends because it just makes me happy, and I just feel my best when I'm around my friends. And I'm currently like not allowed to see them because my mom doesn't like want me out and about like doing whatever, which honestly it sucks so much to not be able to see my friends. Like I miss them so much, and I don't know how long this whole thing is going to be going on for, because like they think that it could be all the way up until August, which is really scary. And the concert I was supposed to go to for my boyfriend's birthday, we were supposed to go see Jack Harlow on the 28th of March, but now it got rescheduled. I'm just glad it didn't get completely canceled, but since his tour hasn't started yet, I think the first show was supposed to be one before ours. We were supposed to be the second show. He's just like rescheduling everything for once everything clears up, which I'm so happy about because I want to go to this concert so bad. I'm so excited. I love Jack Harlow. His newest album is seriously so good. There's not a single, like I love every song but one on the new album. It's so nice, and I'm just excited to go. But I filmed and uploaded, like I edited, filmed, uploaded a playlist video 2 weeks ago, and I was so excited about it. I was so proud of it, and it got copyrighted and blocked, so I had to take it down. And I was so upset because I really was excited about that video. I really liked that video, and it got taken down, and so I wouldn't have had this long of a break. Like I said, I do have one video on my phone that I need to get edited and uploaded that should be up before this video, but it just like sucks when you work so hard. Like I think I took hours filming and editing that video, and then it just got taken down, which really sucks because YouTube has gotten so much more strict on their copyright claims, and it's literally just so irritating because it used to be like as long as the song clip was under 30 seconds it was fine, and now it's like you can't have anything copyrighted at all, and it's just so frustrating because I literally like worked so hard on that video, and there's nothing I can do about it. Since this whole virus thing, I can't see my friends, so I've been trying to find things to distract me. I want to start Grey's Anatomy. I've never watched it before, and so many people tell me I need to, so I want to do that. And I want to film more because my mom thinks that no school is gonna get extended for the rest of the school year. Today was my first day of doing online schoolwork. We didn't start until Wednesday because like I think they wanted to give the teachers like some time to figure out how to do it, and honestly it sucked really bad doing it online. Like it was so annoying and frustrating, and I didn't even get to work on biology because my internet stopped working, and my biology is definitely going to be what takes me the longest, and I hate biology. Like I literally hate biology so much. It's just not interesting, and it's hard, and it's just confusing, and I just don't like biology, so I'm so not excited for tomorrow to have to like double up on it because I didn't get to do any of it today. The hardest part about having nails, and I also just did my nails today, is these little hair ties. Like I literally struggle so much to get it on my fingers. Alright, we got 2 done, and they actually like they're so like cute. I feel like I wish that this one would turn out a little bit better, but it's okay. But now we do the other side, and literally getting like the hair tie around your hair is so hard with nails. Like look how cute they are though. I did them myself, and I love them. There's been so much good music that has come out, and I literally want to make a playlist video so bad, but I cannot. Like, I am not about to get copyrighted and spend all that time on that video and no one be able to watch it again, because that was literally terrible. Like, it broke my heart, because within literally like 20 minutes of the video being up, it got taken down. And one of my friends was like, yeah, I didn't even get to watch it. And they're like, I was like actually upset, because I have some friends who love watching my videos, and it makes me so happy. Like, that is just the sweetest thing in the world. And I just really want to get back into YouTube, but it's so hard because it takes so much time and motivation. And I know I've told you guys before that, like, I don't have a bedroom door, so like I can't film in my room like when people are doing stuff in my house, because my room is right by the kitchen. My mom's always in the kitchen, literally always. Like, she's always watching TV or listening to music or on her phone or something. So it just can be a little difficult, which is why I'm filming at 10 o'clock at night right now. And I had to kick my mom out of the kitchen so I could film. And it just can be really difficult sometimes. Alright, so I have all of the braids done. And the last step is to go in with curling gel. This is the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk sculpting gel for frizz control. And I just put like not a whole lot in the tip of my fingers, and then I just rub it over the braid and the end of the braid. It just kind of like holds it, and it makes the curls more defined the next day. Okay, so this is all I do tonight, and then I'll be back in the morning or whenever I take these out to show you the products I use and the end result. The goal is to have these in for like over 12 hours, and usually if they don't dry overnight in the morning, then I'll blow dry over them a little bit and straighten them, but I probably won't show you guys that just because it's just more work. Okay, it is now the next day and I look just as disgusting. It's literally 6 o'clock? Yeah, it's 6 o'clock and I've not done anything all day but do schoolwork. But I'm just going to show you how, like, what I do now. I usually take out all of the hair ties first before I start unraveling the braids, just because it's like easier on me to do it that way. Okay, so my hair looks like this, and I kind of just like play with the top a little bit because since they're like pulled back for so long, like the top of your hair will fall a little bit weird, and you just kind of have to like play with it a little. Sometimes pull a few of the curls apart, but you just have to be careful because you don't want to like mess it up too much. But I just pull it apart a little bit, kind of zhuzh with it before I go in with my products, just because I want them to look obviously how you want them to last. These curls will last for me usually about 3 or 4 days, and they honestly are just like so beautiful. Like, look how pretty that is. But now I'm going to start off with going in with my mousse, and this is the Shea Moisture frizz-free curl mousse. It smells like coconuts. It smells really good. I need more soon, but I go in with about 2.5 pumps. It's like that much, and I rub them between my fingers, and you just crunch up. It's like super important that you crunch your hair, because you want it to hold that curl. You don't just want to like put it in and just like let it sit. You want to crunch the hair so that the curls are emphasized. Okay, this is what it looks like with just the mousse in it. You can see it definitely tamed the frizz a lot. But now you're gonna go with some gel. Not like too much, just about that much. It's like probably like a quarter. And you're gonna do the exact same thing, but a little less violently. Like, you want to be a little more soft with it, just because you don't want to ruin the curl. You just want to enhance it. Right, so the very last step is hairspray. I use the Garnier one. I kind of stick to like basic brands for curly hair, just because I do have a naturally wavy / curly hair, so I do buy a lot of products to emphasize my natural curl, but for days like this, it comes in handy to have curl enhancing products, because like curls are really hard to hold, honestly. To naturally hold curls is so hard. You can definitely see that it did kill the curl a little bit, like putting all those products in, like the curl isn't as intense as it was, but once it dries again, it'll basically look how it did. And I just kind of continue to zhuzh it a little bit as it dries. But yeah, that is my wavy curly hair routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. Obviously it's gonna look different when you have makeup on, but I get so many compliments when I do my hair like this. It's just like so effortlessly pretty, and it honestly doesn't take a whole lot of time, and like I said, it does last a couple days. So like I'll usually wear my hair like the first 2 days just down, and then like the last day or two I'll like put it half up, or I'll do like little braids and leave just the bottom down just to change it up a little bit. But there's so many ways you can wear this hairstyle. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.